get on you, they're so small you really don't even feel them until they bite you. I got bit last night about 5 times on the foot while sitting in a chair out in the yard. It's not a super painful bite, but it's definitely annoying and itchy. These little suckers are the cause. I like this one. I'm assuming it's 5160 spring steel, but it's got a rubber handle. I guess it's a tire, but it's actually got a good weight to it. I like this one. I might end up getting it. Okay, so I am here in Manolo Fortich. Chokes to go. Delicious rotisserie chicken, including the spicy. I like the spicy ones. I had it earlier. Oh, sorry, I left the lens cover on. It's good chicken, not sponsored. It's good. Thought everyone should know. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment. Check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.